So now let's fetch the href attribute value. See, DOM get DOM attribute. So I'm giving href attribute. So whether we are getting this value or not, let's see that. URL of the created account plus URL. So execute that. So it should fetch the URL of the link. Okay. So done. You can see the URL of the link. So this is the URL of the link. So how do we know, sir, that is the correct one? You can just right click and you can find it out. See, this is the one, right? Exactly, we got the same one. Perfect. So we're good. So let's play around with a few more methods. So what methods we need to play around? CSS selector. So next, get CSS value methods. Get CSS value method. So just give CSS property. Okay, CSS property you need to give. So get CSS value. So CSS property, and you have to give CSS property name. Automatically it will fetch the given CSS property value. So I want to fetch color of the element. Okay, so let's fetch color of the element or any other. So you take which element you want. So which element you want, that element color. For example, I want this Rediff logo. See, image. So image source you can get, alt attribute you can get, and this element colors. So you have so many properties, right? When you highlight, you can get so many properties here. So you will have, see, text align left, and color, you can font size, font family. So mainly in the testing you will use this font size, you have to verify. Okay, make sure you, so get this, and color also, there is a color also, right? But this color, so we don't know, but yeah, we can get that. At least we can get the color, font size, font family. So I'll get these three. Okay, these three things, and yeah, that's more than enough for us. See how to play around with them. So there is a image source, alt tag is there. You can use alt tag to get that logo. So I'll write the XPath. So web element, element logo equal to driver dot find element. So by dot XPath. Let me use CSS selector. So IMG. So IMG square bracket at the rate. So not at the rate, we should not use at the rate, alt equal to, so the alt value. Okay, so web element we identify. Now this web element color we want. Fetch the color of the logo. So string color, logo color. I can put logo color. dot, so get CSS value, get CSS value, and you just give color, just property name you provide. So color of the logo is so next font size. Okay, let's get the font size. Fetch the font size. So string f size equal to driver, sorry, not driver, but already we have element dot, logo is the element dot get CSS value, and you just give the property name font hyphen size, right? That's a CSS property name. So what value is there for this element, and it will fetch. So and just font size, font hyphen size of the logo is f size. The variable name I have given f size. So now next font family. Fetch the font family. So string font family equal to logo dot get CSS value, font family. So okay, so get CSS value is done. Now point, get the element point, so where it is exactly. So you want to know x and y coordinate values. How can you get that? So logo x coordinate is, so there are so many ways you can write logo dot. See, there is a get rect, you can see here get rect dot get x. See, get x method, so it will fetch the x coordinate and same y coordinate. Just put get y. Okay, so next fetch the dimensions of the logo. So logo height, logo height, logo width. So you can just put get height. So just a method, get height method and get width method. Get width method. So these are the logo height and width you can get. Next, fetch the tag name of the element. So I'm just all return type, right? You can write in the print statement. You can print because we want values. We're just printing them. Logo tag name. So what is the logo tag name? Logo dot get tag name. So these are the elements and their methods we called. Close the browser. So driver dot quit. So you want me to launch on Firefox? Let's see the Firefox also, okay? Firefox driver. So we can try Firefox driver. So not sure whether it will work. Let's see that. I know. So this will fail, but yeah, we need to fix it. See, make a note of all this. Exception in thread main arg.openkey.selenium.session not created exception. Could not start a new session. Response code 500. Started. But so it is very late. Okay, but first understand this. So session not created exception. So process unexpectedly closed with status 0. So that means it is looking for the binary, the path, and that path we need to provide. If you don't provide the path, it won't no load. But let's run again one more time. We'll see now. If it is not working, I'll tell you the procedure. Now it is launched. Firefox browser, yeah, it launched now. Perfect. So it's done. Maybe first time it has some issues. See now logo tag name is IMG 180, 26, 13, 135. So these are the height and width. They are the X coordinate and Y coordinates. So Y coordinate is a top one, right? That's why Y coordinate is very less. And the font family, font size 15x, and this is the color. So everything it is fetching whatever we want. So that's it. Any questions on the get element methods? So what left? We completed get element methods, and we have completed all drop downs, both process I have shown you, and then we have seen Boolean commands is displayed, is enabled, is selected also we have seen. Yeah, so pretty much we covered all the methods whatever we discussed till now, and implicit explicit weights, so I have covered already. And so next class I'll cover, so I'm stopping here. Next class I'm going to cover